So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Today we discuss our Python for data science syllabus and important topic. So, in our syllabus, there will be 4 weeks, and in week first, you have to study about basic of Python Spider tool, introduction Spider, setting working directory, creating and saving a script file, file execution, clearing console, removing variables from environment, clearing environment, commenting script files, variable creation, arithmetic and logical operators, data types and associated operations. So you have to study about this in week first. And in week second, you have to study about sequence data types and associated operations like strings, list, arrays, tuples, dictionary, sets, range. And in NumPy, you have to study about ND array. Now let's go to week third. In week third, you have to study about Pandas data frame and data frame related operation on Toyota Corolla dataset. In this, you have to study about these topics: reading files, exploratory data analysis, data preparation, and pre-processing. Then you have to study about data visualization on Toyota Corolla datasets using Matplotlib and Seaborn libraries. In this, you have to study about these topics: scatter plot, line plot, bar plot, histogram, box plot, pair plot. And next is control structure using Toyota Corolla datasets. And in this topic, you have to study about if else family, for loop with if break, while loop functions. And now let's talk about week fourth case study. In week 4, you have study about regression. First, predicting price of pre-owned cars, and next, classification, classifying personal income. Now our analysis is week-wise topic from question are asked. In week first, this is our very important analysis. In week 1, you have to study about this: Python basics, variable operators, precedence, typecasting, expression, bitwise operations. So you have to study about these topics. And in week second, you have to study about data structures like list, tuple, set, dictionary, strings, indexing, immutability. And in week third, you have to study about data handling and analysis like pandas, NumPy, data cleaning, visualization, probability. And in week 4, you have learn about machine learning basics, regression, classification, logistic regression, confusion matrix, RMSE, feature pre-processing. In overall course, maximum questioning are asked from data handling and analysis, pandas, NumPy, data cleaning and visualization in week third. So thank you friends for watching our syllabus and important topics of Python for data science.